With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, our question is, in assertion, it is said that it is difficult to move a cycle along the road with its brake on. Okay, so assertion is true because, let me write here, when we apply the brake, we restrict the rotation of wheel. Let me write here, by applying brake, we restrict the motion of we restrict the rotation of wheel. So now wheel can only slide, and the most important thing is that sliding friction is greater than rolling friction, because during motion the area of contact during rolling motion, okay, during rolling motion the area of contact is very less comparison to in comparison with during sliding. During sliding motion. So if rolling friction is less than sliding friction, and you can easily see that when we apply the brake, the rotation of wheel is restricted, then the whole cycle can only slide. So if cycle can only slide, then the friction is going to very high, okay, in comparison with rolling motion, okay. So from here we can say that the statement 1 is correct, because assertion is correct because it is difficult to move a cycle along the road with its brakes on, okay, because when brakes on, then at that moment sliding friction is acting, and sliding friction is greater than rolling friction. So because of that we face difficulties to move cycle when its brake is on, okay. And in reason it is given that sliding friction is greater than rolling friction, so it is also true that sliding friction is greater than rolling friction, okay. So the correct option is option A, because assertion and reason both are correct, and reason is correct explanation for the assertion, okay. So our answer is Option A. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.